black or Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a wig install. I kind of want to do a transformation. Basically, I'm going to become Latto today, or I'm going to try to at least, because she has the most perfect blonde hair. I did my best to try to find a Latto blonde wig. I don't know if this one's going to hit, but we have this gorgeous unit from LUVME, and I'm going to do this install and hope that I can achieve her signature beautiful bronzy soft glam look. This is going to be a huge change for me because my hair is jet black right now, so I don't even know if this color is going to suit me, to be honest. So before putting this wig on my head, let me just show you the specs of this unit. She is so gorgeous. She's pre-curled, she's beautiful. We have a darker root, more of like a caramel blonde, and then it fades into this beautiful color. I would say this is like a 27 blonde. Straight out the box, the lace is looking actually quite nice. She's blending really well, but the true test will be when it's on my head. And in terms of cap construction, we have a nice solid piece of lace here, so you have free parting. You can change the part however you want. We also have this really nice breathable cap and a few combs, as well as a strap with the adjustable piece at the back to make sure that you have it fit exactly how you like. What I like about this unit is I don't feel intimidated by this because it already came with pre-cut lace. This is supposed to be a PreMax wig, so it's essentially meant to be just ready to go how it is, and I'm feeling pretty confident about that. So let's see if I can do this install in like 15 minutes. I'm gonna just start with pushing my hair back. When my hair is straight, I don't really have to do a whole lot to it, so I'm just gonna throw my wig cap on. This is meant to be a glueless wig, and the density is 150%. I have to double check which length I went for, but she's cute. Of course, this is 100% human hair, and honestly, here's the thing with wigs, like, I feel like you have to get the right one. Do you guys like doing bald caps, or do you not bother? I'm worried that if I don't do my bald cap properly, it's gonna mess up how good this wig could look. Sometimes I regret doing the bald cap method. Like, I feel like I could have just put the wig on and it would have looked better. So I'm kind of on the fence, feeling like I shouldn't bother, but this is a lace wig. This is actually not a removable strap, I'm realizing, which is interesting. I feel like they usually are, but this one is stuck on there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. This is a side part, and I think it's gonna look so good. So I don't know. I'm nervous, honestly. I'm really nervous about this color. I feel like cooler colors look better on me. I don't know. This is kind of like a warm bronzy color. I know people will say like bronzy colors are going to look good on my skin tone, but I don't know. For some reason, I feel like sometimes they don't. So anyway, I'm nervous about this, but let's just go ahead and put it on. Okay. Wait a minute. I think I actually might kind of like this color. We need to fix her up a little bit, but right out of the box, I really like this curl. I'm not sure about the color yet, so let's see. So I did this install the same way that I do pretty much every install. I went ahead and did my Latto spray, and then after I laid everything down really perfectly, and one thing that I always try to do is I spend a lot of time making sure that there's no little hairs stuck in the lace or in the glue. That's really, really important, and I feel like it really helps everything to look way more natural. So once I'm done that, I like to go in with a little bit of bronzer and just kind of shade that over the hairline a little bit, which I do think helped a lot in this case. And then I used my liquid mousse spritz, and then I just put a little band across my head. And at this point I was thinking that it looks pretty good, but I will say I did work a little bit harder to get this lace to melt how I wanted it to, especially compared to some of the newer wigs that I've tried from LUVME. They have this amazing line called Naturemax that just came out, and it's very similar to PreMax, but everything about the cap construction, the lace, just kind of everything about Naturemax is so much better. So I still like the PreMax wigs, but after trying the Naturemax and then trying the PreMax, I realized that I think I like the Naturemax better, and the lace quality on those is just so much better. So that being said, lace is still nice, but I worked a little harder to get it to blend, and it still wasn't blending exactly how I wanted it to. Now I did make the mistake of already doing this when I had makeup on, and I think that that can affect how it looks. So that could have been my bad, but I did want to take a look at overall like what I think of the wig, what my thoughts are. So let's just give a quick recap. So in terms of the color is beautiful. It's this gorgeous golden honey shade. I think it matches what it looks like on the website very well. It looks very accurate to the pictures. One thing that I personally would like to see is a little bit more like soft highlights near the front, kind of like face framing, but it looks very accurate to what the picture on the website was. I do feel like the ombre is maybe a bit harsher in person, but I have yet to see what this looks like in natural lighting. So maybe if I'm in natural lighting, it would look a little different. I love how full this hair is. It's very full, 150% density, and it just looks very full. Like it looks voluminous, the curls are gorgeous. It's giving like a blowout effect. And those aspects are always really, really good with my LUVME wigs. This one is no exception. You guys will have to let me know what you think of this unit, what you think of this wig. I tried becoming blonde for a day. I think it looks cute, but let me know your thoughts down below. And if you've tried any blonde wigs from LUVME, I still feel like their dark wigs are better, but I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions. All of the discount codes and links to this wig will be down below in the description bar. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one soon. Bye!
Single on the body, but take on the body, but